When it comes to Hercules versus Bauer, obviously Bauer's going to be the cheaper kit at only $69 normally versus $97 for Hercules. Keep in mind though, it's only a 1.5 amp hour battery with Bauer versus 2 amp hour for Hercules. And if you have the ITC or Inside Track Club membership at Harbor Freight, you can usually get both of these even cheaper, even though both of these are usually pretty affordable. Both kits come with battery, charger, and belt clip. Hercules is a little more compact. Bauer is a little bit taller. As far as the weight, Hercules is a little bit lighter at 1,465 grams versus 1,548 grams for Bauer. Kind of odd, but Bauer is a little top heavy as well. So if you stand it up without the battery, it's gonna fall over. If you have the battery connected, then it's fine. I also noticed when removing the battery, it's definitely a little bit harder with Bauer. I don't know if it's just gonna take some time to loosen up, but Hercules is much easier to remove the battery. I feel like the batteries on both of these actually feel quite a bit cheaper than most of the bigger name brands that I've tested. Nice thing is both of these have rapid chargers, so you don't have to wait very long, regardless of which one you go with. They're also the only ones that I've tested that have a silicone type of grippy material. They're on the bottom of the batteries. One advantage with both of these is you have 3 different modes or speeds depending on how much power you want. Nice thing is both of these have 3 lights up at the top. Hercules is a little bit brighter. Bauer's pretty close, but it has some weird shapes. It's not quite as solid as Hercules. Neither of these impact drivers have a bit holder, unfortunately, but there is a belt clip included for both. Hercules has sort of a quick change collet where you can easily pop the bit in with one hand, where Bauer doesn't. You do have to pull the bit out using 2 hands though on both of these. As far as how loud these are, they're actually very similar. Bauer was just a tad louder at 90.4 decibels versus 90.1 for Hercules. As far as overall power, Bauer has up to 2,000 inch-pounds of torque at up to 3,200 IPM and a max of 3,200 RPM versus 2,200 inch-pounds of torque for Hercules, up to 4,400 IPM and a max of 3,600 RPM. So Hercules is going to be more powerful, which makes sense since it's the more expensive tool. And Hercules can drive 3-inch deck screws faster pretty consistently, but it's actually pretty close. Bauer actually feels like it has nice power and definitely feels like a step up in most categories from the Hyper Tough impact driver. I think Bauer actually surprised me after using it with the power and what features you get for the price. I think they just need to improve the build quality on the battery. Hercules feels more premium and definitely more powerful. It's a nice step up from Bauer, especially when you consider the 5-year warranty plus 3-year warranty on the battery for Hercules versus only 90-day warranty for Bauer. Sort of personal preference, but these two definitely have some more weight to them versus the competition. Really, I feel like they just need to improve the build quality on the batteries for both of these brands, but they definitely actually feel pretty nice when using both. Not a huge surprise, but Hercules wins this one in most categories except the price.